introduction to Unit 6, working with polynomials. There are 3 skills students should master in Unit 6, and they are chunked into 2 sections. First, students learn how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide polynomials of degree 1 and degree 2. Additionally, they will learn to rewrite polynomial expressions using the distributive property. And finally, they will factor trinomials given in the form ax squared plus bx plus c. These factoring expectations also includes both perfect square trinomials of degree 2 as well as binomials that are a difference of 2 squares. However, to begin, we need to check and see if students are ready. Remember, the overview and readiness lesson pre-assesses students' understanding of 3 prerequisites and provides a mini lesson for each skill in which the student fails to demonstrate mastery. For Unit 6, students should have prior knowledge of how to simplify expressions with exponents, use the distributive property of multiplication over addition, and find the greatest common factor between 2 or more numbers. One note about these prerequisite skills. Students should have learned how to simplify exponential expressions in 6th grade. In fact, they may have learned how to use prime factorization to determine a GCF or greatest common factor. However, this is not a focus in grades 7 and 8, so students have had time to forget the skill. I also want to point out a huge potential misunderstanding that many students may exhibit during Unit 6. I strongly urge you to emphasize that the distributive property only applies to multiplication over addition, not exponents. The overview and readiness mini lesson about distribution gives you a chance to highlight this key point. In addition to the readiness and overview section, a PhET simulation has been added to this Unit 6 to remind students how to depict multiplication visually. The project begins by building on prior learning from elementary school regarding how to break apart numbers. Then it ties the process into multiplication. This foundational skill foreshadows the use of algebra tiles, a crucial scaffold for students when they are factoring or dividing polynomials.